Do you miss the old Windows 7 MS config where you used to be able to enable and disable programs and services in one program? Well, this guide shows you how to get it back in Windows 8 and Windows 10. So all you need to do is open your web browser. Now you can open any browser with the exception of Internet Explorer, as Internet Explorer is old, outdated, insecure and probably won't work with this video. So you can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave browser or Opera. Any of those will do, just don't use Internet Explorer. So in this example I'm going to show you how to do it using Microsoft Edge. So open up your browser, and once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top of the screen, not the bar in the middle of the screen, the address bar right at the top. Click in there, delete out anything that might be in there, and then type tinyurl.com/cmsconfig. That's tinyurl.com/cmsconfig, all in lowercase and no spaces. Then press enter or return on your keyboard. What you'll notice is, if you're running Edge or Chrome, in the bottom left hand corner of the screen it will say msconfig for Windows, zip will appear. Now if you're running another browser then it might have asked you whether you want to save it or not, but anyway, once it's finished downloading, all we need to do is we close our browser down by clicking on the cross in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then we just open up any yellow folder. This one will do down here. If we can't find a yellow folder, click on the start button and then click on the documents folder just there. Then we need to click on downloads just there from the left. Okay, and then we need to find in our downloads msconfig for Windows 10 and 8. Once you've found that, click the right mouse button over it and then move your mouse over extract tool, click the left mouse button and then move your mouse over extract and again click the left mouse button. Then we need to move our mouse over msconfig for Windows 10 and 8 and double left click on it. It will then say, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Well, as long as it says msconfig for Windows 10 and 8.exe, then move your mouse over yes and left click once. Then move your mouse over next, left click once. Move your mouse over next again, left click once. Move your mouse over next one more time, left click once. Now move your mouse over install, left click once. It's now being installed, and then what you can do is you can actually take the tick out of both of these boxes just by left clicking once on each of the boxes, so you've got an empty box, then left click on finish, then click on the cross just up here to close this window down, and then these two files and folders that we're left over with here, we can delete them. So just left click once on the first msconfig for Windows 10 and 8 and then left click delete. Then move your mouse over yes, left click once, and then left click once on the second msconfig for Windows 10 and 8, left click delete, and then left click yes, and then click on the cross in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then as you can see there, it's actually put an icon for the classic system configuration, so just double left click on that, and then it will say, do you want to allow this app to make from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? As long as it's got msconfig1.exe, then move your mouse over yes, left click once. And here we go. Here is the classic msconfig menu. So there you've got services, startup, tools, general and boot. So there you go. I hope this guide helps and thank you very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.